anak pa yun memang kacau dia. Bukan sih, anak pa yun memang kacau dia.
Okay, so you can see it's something to start first. It's like a multitask again. Alright, so look at that, there's a large surface area. You can do just a wall shape over. So this is where a wall, like a wall is here. Now, sometimes when you do the walls, especially with the economy, you also notice that you know observe how the paint sort of flows and evenly. Now the thing about this is that we are essentially allowing the paint we are allowing the thinner to do the work for us. Okay? So where the paint starts to pool, notice you can see it starts to pool. Right? Around here you can see. That is actually a very simple
Alhamdulillah, akhirnya jumpa juga.
You're just naturally just allow it.
Can I have your slide?
Okay.
Or rather,
Thank you.
Thank you.
allowing the paint to flow. You release the dark areas here. Just give us a very simple basic idea of light, where the highlights and shadows inside. Okay, so you just let it spread and go back and forth too much. You know, certain parts there are doubles and you just try to sort of shift it away. Those of you Malaysian homes, you know, you watch most of you guys are Singaporean very envious. You guys got driveway or porch. Wow, Singapore, you can't even afford a place with a porch. A house, even a living room the size of a porch. You know, so in a sense, you can see, you know, there's one you have something called a sapulini, right? You just wash your toilet. So in a sense, we are actually sweeping the paint across. That's what we're doing. So again, I know how to wash Kelvin, I know how to wash toilet. And if you not wash toilet, you can also paint. Ladies and gentlemen, you see look how we spread the paint. Okay? Then your wife now says, why you paint so nice? You tell me not how to wash the toilet. You turn out your wife already. So you can see the colors are forming up, you see it's drying up, and you see it's very even. You can see when look at the face now, the colors so even and so nice. You can see where it deposits, you get some level of that. That's what we have here. At the same time, you decide suddenly, for some time, maybe why don't we do something a bit different? Let's maybe add some tones, some variation, just for example. Maybe just put a rubber black, so we end up very good. Also, there are a lot of options you can work from. You can do it like what? As this, you can look. If you observe, we do a bit of art. Do a bit of watercolor painting. You notice if we can do a bit of watercolor painting, you can see this is the black here. Then we can sort of dab. And allow the word is allow the color to mingle. Let this color come in and allow it to mingle around. So we have a little bit of mingling here. There's also sometimes we can use it to save the time as well. So as long as the paint is still really what we call that fluid, you can actually get some variations here. Again, we are essentially letting the thinner do the job for us. Right? Very easy solution to this. Right? Since we are at it, maybe we can do a bit of research. actually I find the base coat essentially for some of the other stuff as well. Right, let's detach this for the time being. Let's do this somewhere. Right. Connect here. Now, if you use water, I tell you this part is going to be a big problem. Right, but unfortunately we are using the thinner. Again, the thinner will start to carry the paint beautifully. You know? You're wondering probably, hey Kevin, are you using enamel paint? No, I'm using enamel paint. No, this is actually acrylic. Acrylic, basically, you can actually allow it to, you can sort of, if you know the right tools to use, the right materials to use, the mediums to use, you can get it to behave almost like oil paints. At this point, you don't need to worry too much about the edges. Right? So don't worry, you can see. It's starting, you can see as you notice the color as it starts to dry, it starts to dry, you notice it comes out smoothly. Let ninja take this off. Right. Okay. Now let's maybe give it a zebra color. So the reason why I'm not using the wet color is simply because again we are working with just brushes. Okay? The thing about wet color is unless your style of working is good, if you're working essentially very thick colors, and then the wet palette works perfectly. But for me, I'm working more like watercolor. So what I do is that I actually pre-mix all these reservoirs and all this and just apply the wash across. That's it. So what you want to do is we are doing more of a big picture sort of thing going on first. Just bring on the color like about here, and maybe a drag for the bandolier. This means the bandoliers have a different colors, so you can see. Right? So generally I will do just a bit of blocking basically.
Not so comfortable to put them very low. But we watch from here, not so cool. But we watch from here. So it's cool too.
Okay, right. So wear gloves. Black here. You can use the hand as a mixing the color. And just paint it in with okay, and again, alright, now we'll do this, we can let the color flow beautifully. So those of you guys who are diorama makers, right, you just want a quick solution, just painting, not just figures, but essentially, right, and give this method a try, right, and let me know how it works out for you, right. Okay, so you can see, alright, when the color pools, you can see things starting to emerge. Okay. Let's do use a little rubber black here. So at this stage, we're still doing a bit of blocking. So I'm coming in right now with a 0, probably a bit too fine. That's always number 2, right? That's where we're coming in the blue brush. Okay, so I have with me right now, I'm going to use a bit of rubber black. I still got half an hour more. Oh, that's good. Alright, so you can see I'm looking very thin, never like consistency. Don't overload the brush, and you can sort of, clean, you can wash and dab, and get the beard. So again, look at the consistency, it's very thin, exactly a watercolor. I'm not too concerned at this stage that the resin is still visible on the surface, right? Main important thing you can see, right? We have a basic idea of where the colors are like, So this is a dark color. Right, after this front here, it should look fine. Okay, you can always, now the face is almost dry in the first layer. And that's actually our base coat. So now, you can go back, revisit this again. So the other things will side. Just flutter the space. Okay. So, what will be that black flash color here?
Do you sell like the
Yes, yes. So if you buy, I have for this one 68, this one 38. If you buy one set, this one become 80. So total 98. This one 55. If you buy, become 85. We have 6 sizes: 0.125, 0.15, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, and 1.0.
so every case is so different. Have to change that?
Yeah, of course.
There's a lot of, if you know that this is, if you're looking at thinner, okay, looking at the actual thinner, you notice how the paint diffuses beautifully. Very quick. You can actually use this method to create like even pigmentation on the skin. And while paint is drying, right, we can even come in again and we can go over with the white flash, is the original flash color here. Right, you can see now this is a solid bronzer. This is the intermediate flash color here. This is the light flash. Now we are actually working towards the highlights now. Okay? Right, just that.
มันแช่ไปเลยปะอันนี้มันแช่ทินเนอร์เลยปะเพราะว่าใช่ไหมมันเพราะอย่างของพี่ผมเสียที่กับมาริโอ้อะชื่อเสียเซลล์ทินเนอร์ขายแล้วก็เขาก็จะคิดอะไร
Go do darker. Now I have here this one another color called the salt here. Now this you can see the complexion right now is warm. So what I'm going to do now is I want to control the temperature of this. I don't want it to be warm. I want it to be cooler.